Hey guys, what's up? Very strange tutorial today. I have Carla's and Jonathan in the background.
Hello.
Carl, you haven't heard from in a long time.
Yeah.
Because there was kind of fallout with him and Jonathan. And
Hello.
Jonathan Rage deleted him. I still had him and we just got back today. So
Yeah.
So I've actually been sending Carl my game. So yeah, that's what you're learning today, because that's what you came here to learn. You're learning how to make a simple game in Notepad. So to start, well, you're gonna be making a game like this. It's not that great, but you can do loading game. I'm gonna skip the loading game bit and the account bit because that's for a later date. And you'll be making something like this. For now, my play is just a piece of crap. So it's gonna be better than that. So yeah, to start off any game, you want to go to New, Text Document, and name the text document your game. I'm just gonna call it Demp. I'm just gonna call it YouTube. And then here you can mess around with everything. You may not. Well, yeah. To start off any game, you want to type @echo off. And then from there you can type the title of your game, which is this thing here. If I just quickly run CMD, I'll just show you. See this? If I type title and then poop, that changes to poop. See? I'm just going to make the title YouTube. You can set the colour. I always choose 0D, because that's like a nice bluish look. And then what you do next is, I'm not too sure. I've got it in my other game. See, look, let me just show you, like, all the programming in this. Yeah. There you go. So that's all we need, as you can see there. That's just the beginning bit. So we can go back to YouTube, and then we can space it. And then you want to do : menu. And that will pretty much create a variable. So if I typed echo hi, and what echo is it's pretty much saying something. So if I just quickly go back to that CMD again, and if you type @echo off, it turns it off, and then if you type echo hi, it says hi. So that's basically what echo is. And then what you can do is, I'm just describing this here, and then you can, let's say you made another variable, and it's called : lol, and then let's say if you type set /p, that is basically what it is. So set /p menu equals, then type whatever you want. This will be what shows up down here. So let me just show you in the command thing again. It'll be here. So this will say command, and then it'll come up this, like this thing here. It'll say C:/users/Jamie Harris. Instead of it saying that, it'll just say command ? And then you always want to put a space in it, so it's nice and clean. And then before you do that, echo, and then 1 to go to lol, and then you want to do, this is just quick, you know, I'm just describing it. If menu equals 1, then go to lol, and then you want to try echo hi again, or echo lol, and then on CLS. And what CLS is clear the screen. So if I just quickly save this, save as YouTube, then you want to save it as .bat, and then you want to be all files. Save it. You can exit out of that, and you can actually delete this YouTube thing now. And YouTube is here, and it says hi, 1 to go to lol, press 1. It has nothing yet because you haven't put a pause in there. So yeah. So ignore all of that except for the first bit here. So you've got : menu and say echo, welcome to the game. That's like the first line. If I just show you here. Oh yeah, and to get back to it, you just press edit. If I load it, oh, I haven't put a pause in there. That's not why it's not working. Then you have to put a pause at the end of everything, or else it's just gonna close straight away. Welcome to the game, and then press the link to continue. You don't need this pause right now. Echo dot is pretty much just a line saying, well, this is a blank line. So, and then you can echo again, and that echo can say, let's say, 1 bracket is start, echo 2 bracket is info, then echo 3 bracket is exit. And then you can do that echo dot again, and then set /p, then menu equals command space, and then if %, and then you want 3 of these, and then %, then in between these you want to type menu. So pretty much ignore all of that kerfuffle that I did before, just copy this, because menu is the name of your variable, and then put equals, that basically means it equals, and then if menu equals 1, 2 or 3, 3 is just exit, and then 2 is to go to info. Now it matters about this, if that has a capital, it has to have a capital, because you're making a new variable for it. So if that has a capital, that has to have a capital. And then because we're not putting anything in start yet, nothing here yet, then pause. There's that pause thing again. Go back to the menu, which means once you've paused it, you've pressed any key, it'll go back to the menu. So info is really easy. All you have to do is information. Oh, I forgot to put an echo. Jonathan left the call. You can do echo dot, and then echo. All you need is a Windows PC. Echo. This game is awesome. And then echo. No.
And it goes on.
And then go back to the menu. So if you didn't get any of that, then just go through all of this. Echo off means it'll show none of this echo. Like, come on, if I didn't have this echo off, it'll come up with all of the commands saying how it's doing it. The colours, you can choose, like, if this is 1, that'd be the background, and 0 is just black, and the B is like the bluey colour. So, search like colour codes in Google and you'll find them out. Then this, you know what echo is, it's saying something. This colon menu is a variable. Sorry. Sorry about that. And then this is just like saying, press 1 to go to start, press 2 to go to info, and 3 is to exit. So then you know that it'll go to this variable, because it has to go to the variable. Nothing here yet, it pauses, and then once you've pressed it, it'll go back to the variable menu. Info, it's pretty simple. You go to info once you've pressed 2, and that's the variable. It's echoing information. That's got an echo dot to, like, say you've skipped a line. All you need is Windows PC. This will only work on Windows because that's the only thing that has the CMD. And then you can just echo what you want. Pause, and then once you've paused again, it'll go back to the menu. So you can save it, exit out of it, and you can go into it. Welcome to the game. 1 is to start, 2 is to info, 3 is to exit. 1 goes to start. Nothing here yet. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the thing. once you have gone to start, you want a CLS. And you know that CLS means
Oh, I didn't do the school.
is clear, and then S is screen. So clear screen. So S to save it. And then you want to pretty much put a CLS under everything. So once you've gone back to the menu, you want to CLS it again. Just saying that you've cleared the screen that was before it. So yeah. And then if I go to start, it CLS's and it says nothing here yet. Press the key to continue and go back to the menu. 2. Information, all you need is Windows PC. This game is awesome, lol. Press any key to continue. And 3, just exits the game. So I hope you've learnt something off that, and I accidentally pressed something. I hope you learnt something off that about all the echo and the simple things. And what this also does, let me just describe this quickly. The set/p menu actually creates the variable. Like, not creates the variable, but it says if the variable equals, and then this is just saying something, and then whatever is here, then it will go to that. So yeah, I hope you learned something off this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.